Hi there, I'm Marissa and welcome to Marissa Home. Today we are going to work on some felt flowers, a whole series of a whole bunch of different flowers that we can get into. We'll take it one step at a time and you can create some beautiful crafts like this one, for example, a happy birthday banner. This one I have in store for you guys too. Or you can do like a nursery mobile or some headbands or brooch, anything you can think of. We'll just go over a couple of these easy flowers so you can make your own creations. So let's go ahead and check it out. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to make a pom-pom. So let's get started. So when prepping for the felt flower, the first thing I like to do is cut out some leaves. So I have a 5 by 5 inch square of felt and I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. So just fold it in half, give it a cut, and then fold in half again so we have quarters, and give it a cut. And do it again on this side. All right, so here we go. We have 4 pieces of felt to work with. So now what I'm going to do is cut like a convex arch on either side of these corners that are kitty corner to each other. And I just do this freehand. Just like that. And there you go. You have a simple leaf to go with any of the flowers that you want to create. So these are just examples of the different kinds of flowers that we have. So we'll go ahead and continue cutting out the rest of them. All right, now we have some leaves and we can move on to the felt flower. So let's make this kind of wavy flower. That's really pretty. Nice, different texture from the other flowers. So let's see what we got going on here. So let's take a 5 by 5 inch piece of felt, and what we're going to do is mark out 4 circles. So this, let's take a look. This is about the width of just over 2 inches, maybe 2 1/4. And we're going to take a pencil and mark this out. Now a little tip with this one, I'm only going to mark out 1 because I've noticed that as I've done these, that if I mark out each one, you can kind of see the pencil marks. So I'm just gonna mark out 1 and then cut it out and use it as the stencil for the other 3. So let's go ahead and give this a cut. And there we go. So we've got our circle. And I'll make 3 more. Make sure at this point you have your glue gun on standby. Heat it up. If you don't have it heated up, go ahead and get that started. And then we'll start cutting out the other ones. Now, I strongly suggest that you cut in the whole piece as far as like cut here, here, and here. I could advise that you cut squares and then cut circles, but what we want from the center is a nice place that we can glue all the pieces together. So when you cut from the whole piece of felt, this will be left in the center for us to then shape and glue all 4 pieces so they stay in one place. So just want to let you know that. All right. You can see we have this center piece right there. So I'm just gonna kind of cut this into a nice tab. Nice like bit of surface for us to be able to glue them all to on the back. Okay, so how do we make this shape? So we fold the circle in half and then in quarters. So in order to get the shape to stay, I put just a little dot of hot glue right where I'm folding. Little dot. Pinch it together. Wait for it to dry. And then when I fold it in fourths, I'm going to put a little dot of glue right there too. And hold it in this shape until it dries. All right, so we have now all 4 of the wavy petals, and we're just gonna kind of place it on here so you know where they're gonna go. So you will have our little like mat, I don't know what else to call it. And then what we're gonna do is have all 4 of them glued right in there so we make this shape. All right, so that's how I kind of like to do it. Place them first and then just kind of pinch them to take them off so they're in their place. And then just push a whole bunch of glue on here. Take the pieces as the way that we kind of took them off, and then just place them right in there. And hold it there until it dries. All right, so there we go. And now we can glue it onto the leaf. So just put a whole bunch of glue on your leaf. Place it on there and wait for it to dry. And there you go. You've got your wavy flower for any project that you'd like to do.